Hello everyone! Welcome to Casa Equilibrium. Today's practice is designed to be done right from your bed. All you need to do is wake up and begin your day with this moment of connection, a moment entirely for yourself. So let's begin. Come into a comfortable seated position with your legs crossed and with your eyes closed. Place one hand over the other and relax your facial expression. Soften your jaw without any effort. We will begin this gentle warm-up, a moment to create a deeper connection between your body and your mind. Start by taking a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your entire body to relax. Continue breathing naturally through your nose. Let your breath be deep, full, silent. Begin to notice your body. Bring your thumbs to touch and place your palms together in front of your heart. In this moment, let's take a moment to be grateful for this new day. Grateful for our health, for our bodies, and for everything good that we have in our lives. Allow a feeling of gratitude to grow within you. When we begin our day with this feeling, we open ourselves to the possibility of welcoming more positive things into our lives. So, simply notice the air flowing in and out. Now, place your hands on your knees, bringing your thumbs and index fingers together while keeping the remaining fingers extended. Let's now bring all our attention to the breath, filling your lungs completely with every inhale and with every exhale, allowing yourself to relax completely. Surrender a little more to the simple act of breathing. As we bring your full attention to the breath, we are immediately brought to the present moment. And it is in the present moment that life happens. It is in the present moment that we can experience life completely. The past no longer belongs to us, and the future is yet to come. So bring yourself completely into the here and now. Continue moving through your breath slowly and peacefully, filling your lungs completely. With every inhale, you have another opportunity to surrender even more deeply to this practice. And now, slowly open your eyes and let's begin. Bring both hands out in front of you, making fists. Start by opening and closing your fingers. Open and close. Begin to increase the speed. Open, close, open, close. Feel the vitality beginning to flow through your body. Continue open and closing your hands. And now, as you inhale, begin to raise your arms all the way up. Continue opening and closing your hands. Hold it there. Stay strong. You may begin to feel the burn. Now extend your fingers and interlace your hands, turning your palms up toward the ceiling. Straighten your elbows And as you exhale, slowly lower your hands down. Place your left hand on the bed. Inhale and lift your right arm up. As you exhale, gently lean your body over to the left. Open your chest and turn your gaze up toward the ceiling. Stay here. On your next inhale, slowly come back to the center. Now extend your left arm up, and as you exhale, begin to lean your torso over to the right. Open your chest, straighten your elbow, and look up toward the ceiling, allowing your arm to stay out of your line of vision. Hold the position. On your next inhale, slowly return to the center. Now, bring your chin down toward your chest and begin to gently move in your neck. Allow yourself to explore the full range of motion. Feel the weight of your head without forcing anything. Now, slowly move to the other side. Enjoy the movement. Pause in the center and interlace your hands behind your head. Allow the weight of your arms to gently support your head, letting your neck relax and releasing any tension through your cervical spine. Stay here. On your next inhale, bring your hands to support your chin and gently guide your head upward, creating the opposite movement. Slowly return to center. Now, extend your left arm out in front of you. Use your right hand to hold your left arm and look over your left shoulder. Feel the stretch. Now lift your left elbow up toward the ceiling and with the help of your other hand gently draw it over. Extend it and letting it through your shoulder and shoulder blades. Let's balance in the other side. Extend your right arm and use your left hand to gently pull it across your body. Look over your right shoulder and feel the stretch. Bring your right elbow toward the ceiling and with the help of your other hand, gently stretch and lengthen through the shoulder. Release your arms. Now bring your palms together in front of your chest, interlacing all of your fingers and leave only your index fingers extended. As you inhale, feel yourself lengthen through the entire body. And as you exhale, slowly begin to fold your body forward. Bring your hands down onto the bed. And it feels comfortable, gently bring your forehead down as well. Inhale and slowly come back up. Now, keeping your right knee bent, cross your left leg over, placing your left foot on the outside of your right knee. Wrap your opposite arm around your leg and begin to look over your left shoulder, coming to a gentle twist. Let's switch sides. Now, cross your right foot over your left knee. Wrap your left arm around your leg and look over your right shoulder. Enjoy the twist. Now extend both legs and slowly lie down comfortably on your bed. Bend both knees and wrap your arms around your legs, hugging them toward your body. Feel the stretch through your lower body and close your eyes. If it feels good, gently rock from side to side. Now, place your right ankle over your left knee. Interlace your hands behind your left thigh, and as you inhale, gently draw your left thigh closer toward your torso. Breathe. And now, let's switch sides. Place your left ankle over your right knee. Interlace your hands behind your right thigh and gently draw the leg closer to your body. Relax. Now extend both legs all the way up toward the ceiling. Let your feet point upward. Stay here. You can now bend your knees. Bring your arms back behind you. Take a full body stretch. Then gently allow your knees to fall over toward your left side. Let's switch sides. Allow your knees to fall toward the other side now. And stretch your entire body once again. Slowly roll over, come into your stomach, and begin to make your way back into a starting position. Come back to a comfortable seated position with your legs crossed. And now we move into your samyama, or meditation practice. Close your eyes. Lengthen through your spine, reconnect with yourself, and begin to notice how your body feels after this short practice. Bring your attention to the center of your chest. Notice how your energy feels. Your energy is now flowing through all your energetic channels, bringing more vitality, more health, and more energy to help you begin this day in the best possible way. Take a few more complete deep breaths here, feeling all your energy rising back to your body, connecting this energy with the mind, with your thoughts, with the universe. Bring your thumbs to touch and place your palms together in front of your heart. With a gentle smile on our face, we greet one another with a beautiful Namaste. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you on your next practice.